It's election time in Chhattisgarh, and we are currently in Bastar, where the first phase of polling is currently underway. This year, polling is taking place under high security cover with over 60,000 police personnel deployed in Bastar. However, the history of voting in Bastar has not been easy, where elections have generally been marred by violence. In 2018, 3 persons were killed in pre-poll violence, including a journalist and 2 security personnel in the Neelavaya village. Today, we are standing here in front of the polling booth where voters from Neelavaya village are supposed to come and vote. And it's 12 p.m. today, and yet no voters have come. The polling booth is located in the Arbe Panchayat, and as you can see, it is heavily guarded with security personnel. However, villagers from the nearby Barre as well as Neelavaya villages have refused to come or are unable to come. Villagers from Barre claim that they had no idea that elections were taking place here, that the polling booth was located here, while in Neelavaya, residents are scared to come for fear of retribution from Naxals. While Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel has assured security this time, and 60,000 personnel have been deployed, including special forces like Cobra, like the CAPF, as well as state police forces, people seem not to be convinced. Which brings us to the question, can democracy really be enforced with a gun? And if so, for how long? This is Rakhi Bose reporting from Bastar for Outlook.